MRO Southern Aeroparts, located in Tulsa, Oklahoma, provides a broad range of maintenance, repair, and overhaul services for commercial aircraft components. These services include electromechanical, pneumatic and hydraulic capabilities, and pneumatic motors and valves.
Our philosophy has always been repair versus replace. Our whole goal is to try to save the customer money while being able to maintain the highest level of quality that is out there.
Every part we touch has to have the same amount of detail regardless of if it's a roller or if it's an actuator. We have to maintain the same standard of quality.
We have a dedicated team to support sustaining parts that we're developing repairs on, but also developing new parts that we've never seen before.
Utilizing our full in-house engineering and manufacturing capabilities, we are able to provide effective, low-cost solutions for our customers using OEM material, FAA and PMA-approved parts, DER repairs, and used serviceable materials.
So our price is generally lower than the OEM. It's also, our service is much better than the OEM when it comes to turnaround time. It's being flexible on our feet.
Innovation has been a cornerstone to Southern Aeroparts' success, best reflected by our product services and repair capabilities.
I could sit in front of a customer or any customer feeling hands down that the team back in Tulsa is going to support no matter what. We have the capabilities to bridge the gap between what the market's seeing, what we can do, but more importantly, what we can do in the future.